All right, Jason and Annie, we're back with you know who. So we're starting him on the place thing, which he's huge. So he's a little bit big for this cot, but all through, he's going to start out by getting him to go in there. Releasing him with a little click all through. I'm going to direct him there with the hand closest to him. So, in place. Oh, good. Down. I am using my hand to direct him there, but once he gets there, I'm back to the foot thing. Anyway, for everybody at home, you guys remember Bodhi from last. Releasing him with the click of the pager. And you know, and you would be working towards the 3-action drill with this, but if you try to do all that in the beginning, shoot yourself in the foot. Alright, so I'm going to direct him with the hand closest to him. Foot tap, remote behind my back. Guys, we're working on it. Bye.